Hi, in this video we will find the efficiency of the appliances. Now the efficiency of any device can be calculated from the power supplied to it, which is the input power, and the useful energy per second it transfers, which is the output power, that we have found in the previous tutorial. Now to find the efficiency, we use the equation. Efficiency is equal to the output power divided by the input power and multiplied by 100%. Now, if any two values are known, we can find the third. For example, the output power will be found if the efficiency and the input power are known. So we rearrange the above equation to give output power is equal to efficiency multiplied by the input power. Now the efficiency values can be expressed as ratio or a percentage. For example, if the answer is 60%, it is equivalent to a ratio of 0.6. And the percentage efficiency is always less than 100% or less than 1 as a ratio. The difference between the percentage efficiency of an appliance and the 100% tells you the percentage of the energy supplied that it wasted. Why is energy wasted? Now we all know that components of the appliances have resistors, and resistance can cause heating effect, which means heat is transferred to the surroundings, which means energy is transferred. So energy is wasted due to the resistance of the wires and the components.